Yeah, don't put your fingers in their mouths. They're not going to dive down just for your toes.
No, they like to eat jellyfish, remember?
Did they really?
Yeah. Isn't that funny?
Never knew.
Okay, touch me the girl's toe.
Just feet.
Shush. My God. Oh no! You go faster. Ready. Hold it. Okay. Stop it. Stop. Okay.